Let's talk about some of the factors that affect the value of gems before we go any further. I know that you know them. You've probably heard of them before. It is color and clarity and cut and carat weight. But one of the things that many people don't realize is that colored stones and diamonds are a little different. When we think of colored stones, we are looking for the top feature is color. Color is the primary thing that, or should be the primary thing that you are looking for. When we look at a diamond or are looking to buy a diamond, then color is not the most important feature. In fact, we are looking for lack of color, which is entirely different. And so color is not the most important of the four C's for diamond.